The 8 Principles for a Healthy Home, presented by UA SafeState. Did you know that most people spend approximately 90% of their time indoors? The Department of Housing and Urban Development has outlined 8 simple ways to provide a safe and healthy indoor environment at your home and for your family. Children depend on the adults in their life for safety. Here's what you can do to be their superhero. First, keep it dry. Mold loves wet conditions and can cause or worsen asthma and allergies in some people. To help keep your home dry, inspect for leaks, repair any leak sources, and clean water leaks and spills as soon as possible. Second, keep it clean. Control sources of dust and clean regularly with wet methods like mopping. Also, reduce clutter in your home so that you have less to clean around. Third, keep it safe. Keep all chemicals and poisonous substances out of children's reach and make sure they are labeled. Also, to keep it safe, secure anything that can cause tripping, like loose rugs or electrical cords. Be sure your home has smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and have a fire extinguisher and first aid kit on hand in case of emergency. Fourth, keep it well ventilated. Fresh air should be supplied from outside of the home. This reduces the buildup of airborne contaminants. Vents should be installed in kitchens and bathrooms to vent out steam, moisture, and cooking fumes. Fifth, keep it pest-free. Pests come inside looking for food, water, and shelter. To reduce pests, seal cracks and openings, do not leave food out, and store it in sealed containers. If you already have a pest problem, try to use some human-safe traps such as sticky traps. Sixth, keep it contaminant-free. Some potential contaminants include radon and lead. Radon is a naturally occurring gas that can enter the home through soil, crawl spaces, or foundation cracks. Lead-based paint is a risk in homes built before 1978. Paint must be kept in good condition to reduce contamination risks. Have a state-certified professional come out to check for these and other potential contaminants. Seventh, keep your home in good condition. Make repairs as soon as you have damage, inspect your home regularly for issues, and clean thoroughly and often. Eighth, make sure your home is well insulated and thermally controlled. Exposure to extreme temperatures is dangerous and should be avoided. Good insulation also lowers the humidity in the home and reduces mold. If you do these things, you're on the road to a safe, healthy, and happy family. For more information, please contact UA SafeState. We are here to help you stay safe.